Welcome to Foundations of Linux. In this video, we are going to compare Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora. These are three of the most important Linux distributions for beginners, developers, system administrators, and cloud professionals. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the strengths of each distribution and which one may be the best place for you to start. One of the first questions many new Linux users ask is, which Linux distribution should I learn? Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora are all excellent choices, but they are designed with slightly different goals in mind. In this lesson, we will compare them so you can choose the best starting point for your learning and career path. Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora share many core Linux features. They are open source, widely used in technology careers, and capable of running on both servers and developer workstations. They also include the Linux kernel, security updates, package managers, command line tools, desktop environments, and regular security patch cycles. Ubuntu is often the best starting point for beginners. It is easy to install, has excellent hardware support, and is one of the largest online support communities in the Linux world. Ubuntu is also widely used in cloud computing, Docker, and many beginner-friendly Linux labs. Debian is known as one of the most stable Linux distributions. Many server administrators trust Debian because its software packages are carefully tested before release. The trade-off is that Debian may include older versions of some software compared with faster-moving distributions. Fedora is focused on innovation and newer technology. It is sponsored by Red Hat and often introduces modern tools and features earlier than many other distributions. Fedora is a strong choice for developers, DevOps learners, and anyone interested in the Red Hat ecosystem. This comparison shows the main differences between the three distributions. Ubuntu scores very high for beginner friendliness. Debian is strongest in stability. Fedora is strongest when it comes to newer features and modern developer tools. The best choice depends on what matters most to you. Each distribution uses a package manager to install, update, and remove software. Ubuntu and Debian use apt, while Fedora uses DNF. Package managers are important because they help you install software safely, manage dependencies, and keep your system updated. For most beginners, Ubuntu is the recommended starting point. It has an easier initial setup, a huge support community, and is commonly used in cloud labs and tutorials. Debian is a great choice if you want maximum stability, while Fedora is a great choice if you want newer tools and a closer connection to the Red Hat ecosystem. Linux skills are highly valuable in real technology careers. Ubuntu is very common in AWS, Azure, Docker, and cloud environments. Debian is widely used for stable infrastructure and enterprise hosting. Fedora is often used by developers and people working toward Red Hat-based environments. The most important thing is not choosing the perfect Linux distribution. The most important thing is practicing core Linux skills. Learn the terminal, practice basic commands, build projects, and complete hands-on labs. Once you understand the fundamentals, your skills will transfer across many Linux distributions. There is no single best Linux distribution for everyone. Ubuntu is beginner-friendly. Debian focuses on stability. Fedora focuses on newer technology. Your best choice depends on your goals, but the skills you build will transfer across distributions. Thank you for watching this Foundations of Linux lesson. To continue your Linux journey, visit labs.destinlearning.com for video lessons, guided exercises, and hands-on labs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Destin Learning YouTube channel for more Linux, cloud computing, and technology tutorials.